Hello again, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about this magnificent reclaimed beech and taking it from this and turning it into this. Okay, now this stuff, it comes about by me discovering my new favourite place in the world, which is Reclaimed Timber Liverpool. I will leave a link to the Facebook page in the description. And I got my hands on several lengths of this reclaimed spalted beech. I believe historically it was used in the shipping industry for something. Anyway, my original plan was I was going to make some chopping boards and butcher's block with it, but once I'd planed it down, it was simply far too nice. It was absolutely stunning once I'd run it through the planer, the jointer if you're in the States, and the thicknesser, which is the planer if you're in the States, I think. Anyway, so it kind of got it to something along these kind of lines, and I was just like, no, it was just too nice. So I decided to make some set table legs for another project which I've currently got on the go, which is a reclaimed oak from the same timber yard. It's a slice of this stuff, and I'm doing that an oak and resin side tabletop for our lounge. So I'm about halfway through that project, so hopefully I'll have a video out in the next week or so for that one. In the meantime, this project for me was brilliant. It's thrown out a few new techniques for me. The construction of the table is really simple. It's just butt joints using dominoes, but it also introduces you to, and you will be seeing probably in most future projects for me, is Carmonius Finsnickeri's, I'm sure that's right, again, link in the description, his Festool Domino accurate jig, which I will do a separate exclusive video for, because it reintroduces my new best friend Jeff back into the equation. But I won't go too much on about it now. That's definitely for a future video, but you will see this jig in action in the build, and safe to say, for me personally, it wasn't designed for someone like a one-handed woodworker. It is an absolute game changer for me. It is a fantastic piece of engineering. So I have certainly got Carmonius Finsnickeri's channel and design to thank for this, and I have been in touch with him, but also I have Jeff. If you are watching, you are an absolute true gentleman, sir. This is magnificent, and thank you very much. Anyway, just a quick one from me before we go into the actual build project itself. As you know, or if you follow the channel, I have actually returned to work recently, so even though limitation side of things is still very much prominent in my life, so I'm trying my best to get maybe a video out every 3 weeks ish, but I do leave updates on our Instagram page and our Facebook page, so I do little 30-second videos or something just to let you know how projects are going. So if you think I haven't dropped off the radar and it's something that you might want to consider following, again, I'll leave a link in the description, because it just gives you little updates on where I'm at on certain projects. Thanks for sticking with us. I hope you enjoy this build. I certainly did. I'm really happy with the end result. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Thank you.
penalty off. Did Cornell's keep the ball in play? Yes, he did. Southampton see their attack break down, and it's cleared by Ogbonna. Southampton, though, win that ball back, and it's Smallbow. Southampton now attacking over on that far side, the right, and then just keeping the ball in those charcoal and yellow shirts, yellow shorts, playing from right to left, and they keep the ball, and then Bertrand will up to the kind of play for a throw as we go to West Bromwich Albion and Pat Murphy.
0-0 here again. Wigan are playing very well indeed. Sheffield Pereira vigorously, has to be said, and there's been very little for Robinson or Robson Cardew up front. They've got a good game shape here, Wigan. They know what they're doing. It's West Brom 0, Wigan 0.
Allaire, right hand side, right corner of the penalty.
again now, turning to face the Everton penalty area. He's got Willian outside him on the right-hand side. Back to little Gilmore. Into the midfield to Mount. Richardson's been crunching into the tackle there, wins the ball back briefly, but only briefly.